Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
English changed everything. Story of a village woman. The woman who spoke to the world. In a quiet village surrounded by green fields and dusty roads lived a woman named Mina. Mina was like every other village woman. She cooked, cleaned, fetched water, and took care of her children. But there was one thing that made her different. She had a dream. Mina wanted to learn English, not because she wanted to go abroad, not because she wanted to impress anyone, but because every time she saw words on a signboard or heard people speaking English on TV, she felt something inside her. A voice whispering, maybe I can learn too. But everyone laughed at her. When she told her neighbors she wanted to learn English, they said, why? Are you going to become a madam? You are too old. English is not for women like us. Even her husband wasn't supportive at first. He said, who will do the housework if you sit with books? Mina felt small, but her dream remained big. One day she made a decision. She took her daughter's old English book, sat under a banyan tree, and began reading the alphabet ABCD. She felt like a child again. She made mistakes. She forgot words. She pronounced things wrong, but she never stopped. Every night, after finishing all her chores, she studied for 1 hour, even if she was tired, even if her eyes burned with sleep. After months, an NGO came to the village offering a free English class for women. Everyone ignored it, but Mina ran to the school building, heard founding, and signed up. The teacher, Miss Sarah, was shocked to see one woman so determined. While others giggled shyly, Mina raised her hand again and again. Ma'am, how to say this? Ma'am, can you repeat? Ma'am, I want to speak fluently. Her English was broken. Her accent was thick, but her courage was perfect. The day of the village event. 1 year later, the village school held an event. They were looking for someone to welcome the guests in English. Everyone whispered, Mina will mess up. But Mina stepped forward. Her hands were shaking. Her heart was beating fast. But she remembered the banyan tree, the late nights, the little whispered dream inside her. She took a deep breath and said, good morning, everyone. My name is Mina. I'm very happy to welcome you all today. Her voice was clear, confident, and full of pride. The whole village went silent. Some had tears in their eyes. Even her husband's eyes softened. Her children shouted, that's our mother. For the first time in her life, Mina didn't feel like just a village woman. She felt like a woman who could speak to the world. English changed her life. After that day, she began teaching English to village children. She earned respect from the whole community. She even started a small online channel helping women like her learn basic English. Her husband proudly said, my wife is a teacher. And Mina, she finally believed in something nobody else believed, her own potential. It's never too late to learn. English is not a language of the rich. It is a language for everyone. When a woman learns, an entire generation learns. Dreams don't need a degree, they need courage. English didn't just change her language, it changed her life. Because when you learn something new, you unlock a new version of yourself, and that version can achieve anything. The story teaches us that learning has no age, no limit, and no boundaries. When Mina decided to learn English, the world around her didn't change. She changed, and that changed everything. Believe in yourself, even when others don't. People laughed at her, but her belief was stronger than their doubts. The real power is inside you. not around you. Small steps create big changes. Starting with ABC under a tree, she slowly built a new future. Consistency is more important than speed. Education gives confidence. When Mina learned English, she didn't just learn a language. She learned to stand, speak, and dream boldly. Learning empowers women. When a woman learns, she inspires a whole generation, her children, her family, and her community. Education is the key to transformation. It's never too late to start. Age, background, and circumstances don't matter. Your future begins the moment you decide to learn. Courage changes destiny. Most people fear being judged, but Mira's courage became her superpower. Courage turns ordinary stories into extraordinary journeys. English is not just a language, it's a key to opportunities, to education, to global communication. When you learn English, the world stops feeling far away. Suddenly, information, people, and possibilities become reachable. At first, the words feel strange. You hesitate, you make mistakes, but every time you understand something new, you gain confidence. And confidence is a powerful thing. It doesn't just change the way you speak, it changes the way you think about yourself. Successful learners are not the ones who never make mistakes. They are the ones who keep going despite them. Each mistake in English becomes a lesson, and each lesson becomes progress. English connects you to people you never thought you'd meet. Knowing English gives you the ability to connect with people from different cultures and countries. You can share ideas, dreams, and stories. It makes the world feel smaller, kinder, and more full of opportunity. Learning English transforms your self belief. When you realize you can learn a new language, you start believing you can learn anything, and that belief changes everything. English won't just change the way you speak, it can change the way you live. Keep going, keep practicing. One day you will look back and realize this one skill changed everything.
Thank you, my dear subscriber, for being here with me. Your support means everything to me. I hope this story touched your heart. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, keep growing, and never stop believing in the power of consistent daily action. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.